right now, since you got good grades in school, I'm gonna take you to this water park. But tomorrow I have a very, 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 very special gift for you. You're gonna love this one. You haven't seen this gift in a long time.
Okay.
Okay, well that's what we're gonna do. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's go. Man, since your mama been gone,
Yeah.
it's been a whole while. How long it's been?
5 years.
So you ready to go get her?
Yes.
Guess what? Today,
For real?
that's what we here to wait for. I had to surprise you.
Thank you.
So you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to kiss and hug mommy?
Yes.
So let's go check it out. Come on. See if she's ready.
Where's my mom coming out?
I don't know. They said she was getting out 2 hours ago. You see how long we've been waiting? I know you hungry and you thirsty, right? Let me call them and see how long they gonna take. Don't worry, just wait. Hello? Central Booking? Yes, this is Cleopatra. I'm trying to see how long y'all gonna take to let out my girl Blue. We've been waiting out here for 2 hours already. Me and her son, he is hungry and thirsty. We didn't bring no food or nothing because y'all said that she was coming out 2 hours ago. If I would have known that, I would have rode to somewhere and got him something to eat, to the store and got him something to drink. Don't you think that y'all should have some kind of sympathy there? It's gonna be 30 more minutes. Well, then back in 30 more minutes, you let her know that her ride is back on the way. I'm finna go take her son to get him something to eat and something to drink, and we'll be back. All right. I hope she out when by the time we get back. All right. Thank you. Make it quick.
Where is she? Oh my God, sit down and wait here, man. Come on, right now. Damn, man. I gotta be waiting on this bitch here. Hold on, I think I see them. You miss me? All right. Where's that hoe at? Where's my hoe? There she is. My father, can't believe you're gone. I'll do right by you. I got the black envelope. I'm going to do right by you. I'm going to turn this bitch out. Serious. I'm going to revenge your death. Serious. Damn papers and shit that I just got out within 24 hours. Yo, let me talk to my girl Cleo. Oh my God, I still can't believe that my father is gone. And he gave Cleopatra the black envelope to give me. And I'm just opening it now. My hands are nervous. I don't really want to read this, but I know it's important that I read this. Okay, let's see what it says. Dear Blue, if you're reading this letter, this can only mean one thing. I'm dead. You need to know the truth of who you are and know the importance of your new position in our black mob family. You are now the mob boss, the godmother for all locations. I know I will be either looking down from heaven or looking up from hell. Just make me proud and keep the mob family legacy going. So you need to know the truth about this family, which will empower you to do the honorable thing and take back the streets from our enemies. But be very careful and look closely to those not only on the streets, but within. Damn. Within. So it looks like there's a Judas in the camp. Okay. Important for you to know the truth about your real family. Your uncle was Tony Montana's Scareface. Tony Montana Scarface? That's my uncle, and I'm only finding out now? Oh my God. He was my twin brother? I know this is a shock to you. It was also a shock to me because no one told me until a year ago. Are you serious? Your real grandmother, not your adopted grandmother, didn't even know I was alive because at the birth they told her that I was stillborn at birth and that I died, which was a lie. These son of a bitches. What? Oh my God. Your adopted grandmother, which I grew up with, never told me anything that she was my adopted mother. She acted like she was my real mother. She didn't tell me the truth until she was on a dying bed. Fuck that, I would have strangled her ass. I have left you millions in a trust. Spend it wisely and invest the rest in my favorite grandson, King. I know we have lost years between us because he was locked up for 5 years. It is your time now to run the Black Mob Enterprise business. Oh my God. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take revenge for my father's death and for my uncle's death, Tony Montana, and my mother's death. And I'm gonna find out who is the Judas in the camp of this enterprise. It ain't gonna be nothing nice when I finish. I'm gonna empty out the clip.
Rap for my city, city. Rap for my city. I put on. I put on. Angel eyes. I put on for my block. Rap for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Got a block unlocked. You niggas ain't ready, 22s on the shoes when I cruise in a Bentley. Put on for my block, rap for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Put on.
Call the boss, say them so shady in the car. Good girl, I'm not even here for now, you know. Don't know the real boss said. Oh, go on, Blue. Yeah, I did. Yeah, man. Thing alright though.
Night. How you doing? I'm much better, thanks. Yeah, I just got out about an hour ago. Cleopatra picked me up. Yeah, I had to bun out. I'm still on probation. That was the agreement. Else I'd have to stay 30 years locked up. Yeah. I know a lot has happened since I've been inside.
No, man. 5 long year in a babe. 5 long year. Yeah, I'm glad that the road now na touch back road. When I did the business officially now, you know, things start flow smooth again. Yeah. They still, you know.
I want these streets locked off. Right, we got work to do, baby. I hope you're getting your crew together. Yeah. Listen, I'm gonna need you to link up with Dragon in Ochi. Yeah, because we got a couple extortion jobs to do out there. Right. So make sure you handle that real quick. I appreciate you so much for putting monies on my books, keeping me down for those 5 years while I was locked up, and for giving Cleopatra money to take care of my son King, which his father should have done. Fucking waste, man, I'm telling you.
I keep in touch with Cleopatra and get her fair thing. Every weekend see me plead King, you know what I mean? Get her fair package. You hear that? And larger thing see me in an account fake car. I don't know if keep that on a base. Don't know you're the boss, you see me? Yeah, man. What you say? No, be. You're the thing straight, man. We're not go on it, man.
What you gotta tell me? Let's hear it. You think you're falling in love with me? Well, to be quite honest, I feel the same. I just didn't want to say anything because you know I'm a hardcore bitch.
Me for have a be. You hear that? You know, that done for 5 years, me I feel say John no. It's like me I go crazy because every day me have to think about you. And so every day I call you. Yeah, every day I call you and I keep in touch with the same way, though. I mean, I keep the business flow same way. I make sure everything runs smooth same way for you. Yeah, man, I mean, for have you, man, I know I love you personal. What you say?
What are we gonna do? Where do we go from here? Are you down with Blue all the way? Right, because I need a real nigga. Right.
Tell this man on a serious note. You know you're the boss, eh? And you know I respect you and rate you on a level. If I never love you to a level, I wouldn't have do certain things for you as I say already. You see me? So I just see you look through it and see what you know. Need for having beside you to keep the business flow, though. Circle down with you and marry you. Yeah, I laugh, think I joke thing. Yeah, man, I mean, if I have you half babe, I don't want to marry you. Give my last name, you hear that? That night, Andy Blue, you know them hero name in the street. Them get scared. Because we have to go on the street and tell you already, you know. If we all combine together in a way, you know, powerful, you know, them can't stop it, you know.
Right. But don't say you're a rude boy for a long time. That's why I love you. How you mean? We gotta lock off Kingston as well. Control that, man. Control that for me. Yeah. Mega talk to me weird sister Obi, you know, because she wasn't operating right while I was inside. Dark Knight, on a serious note, right? We gotta get our shit together. Because I don't like how things was operating while I was locked up. You know the Godfather passed away and he gave me the mob business and I'm handling it. But between me and you, you know, I don't think Obi is very happy about it. Because she's the older twin and she thought it would go to her. But you know what? I'm a real hardcore bitch. I get things done. You understand what I'm saying? I will put a clip in your ass. You understand? Right. I don't play that.
Don't get back in a trouble in the car. You don't know when you want to get in the car and hear say you're dead back at the place there. You hear that? You know, my head hurt me. 5 years, I'm not safer. You don't know. Yeah. What you say? Alright then, just keep it that way there. Safe. Alright then, Lady Blue. Love you, hear that? I go say I love you, man. I was supposed to say to her because if I never love you, I wouldn't do what I do for you, baby. Alright then, look more.
Okay. I'll call you later. Love you. Alright, bye. Hello, Dark Knight, Obi, how you doing? I haven't heard anything from you all day. What's going on? You know we have the shipment of the diamonds coming in from Africa. Right. What's going on today? Blue, my twin sister, she's out. Really? How come I didn't hear anything from her? What's going on? There's been few changes. Really? Like what? Talk quick. She was handed the black envelope. Where does that leave me? I am the firstborn twin. The black envelope's supposed to be handed to me for me to run this mob. Who's been holding it down for the 5 years that her ass was locked up? Eh? Tell me now. Okay, get to the point. Oh, so she's taking over as of today. Okay, fine. If that's the way how my father wanted it, let it be. Right. I haven't even been hearing much from you lately. What is it? Aren't I good enough for you? You're in love with Blue? Are you serious?
That hardcore bitch. She look like a straight dyke. My twin sister. Look how beautiful I am. Long hair, everything. Nice and fluffy. I got so much to offer you. And you want to go with Blue, the hardcore dyke looking twin. Can you believe that? And I'm the better looking twin. You can't help yourself. I know, because while she was locked up, you were putting money on her books. And taking care of my nephew King. I appreciate you for that. But I am the one that is in love with you. You didn't know. How come you didn't know? I'm always paying you extra. Don't you have sense? Well, I am telling you today. Let it be known that I want you to be my man. I am the one that really love you, Dark Knight. I love you. And now you're telling me that you're in love with my twin sister. Foolishness. Foolishness. Oh my God. My God, oh. My God, oh. What is this on me today? I can't. You are breaking my heart, Dark Knight. You're breaking my heart. I love you. Why my sister have to have everything? The control of the mob family, the control of the man, the control of the money, the control of the horse, the control of everything. Where does that leave me? At least let me have you. I can't do anything. It's too late. You're in love with Blue. So what this? I'm upset. I am vexed. I'm going to take you away from her. She's not good enough for you. I am the better twin. I am the better twin. And then we can go back to Africa, leave America, and control the mob family. If anything happens to her. Don't you know if anything happens to her, I am in control as her twin? You can run the mob family with me. No. That's not what you want. All right. Whatever, but you will see one day, that Blue is not going to be around because she is careless. She is careless, and God forbid if somebody take her out, but it might happen, and where's that going to leave you, You don't take my offer. When I take over, you can forget your position in the mob family. Just forget it, Oh, you're a waste man, as the Jamaicans say, waste man, You're wasting your love and your energy and your good body on her. Come give it to me. Ride this. You have all of this and you don't want it. Something is wrong with you in the head. I swear. Anyway, Blue is out. I'll contact her. All right. Bye. Listen, Dark Knight, don't mention nothing. Please, I beg. Right, I don't want no feud with Blue. All right. Okay, bye. Can you believe this shit all? Can you believe it? A beautiful woman like me, he is rejecting. I want to waste his time with Blue. Who the hell is Blue? She thinks she is it. Hardcore bitch. I can't stand her. Hello. Blue. Obi. You've been out for a couple of hours and you contacted everybody else but your twin sister. What is going on? You had a few what? Errands to run. You couldn't call your twin sister, that loves you. Shame on you. What's going on? Are you okay? Oh, okay. You're lining up some stuff in Jamaica. I just got off the phone with Dark Knight. He tell me things have changed. I understand that my father, well, I should say our father, has left you the black envelope. That means that you are in control now. Hey, congratulations, my sister. Congratulations. Okay. Right. You want me to meet you at your house? Okay, I can do that. My position has changed. Why? You want me to just strictly What? Concentrate on shipments. That is not much. You're going to expand. Shipment from England. Okay. And Atlanta. Okay. All right. What about Jamaica? I usually control Jamaica. Change your plans. You're going to handle the shipments and the crew in Jamaica. Okay, if that's what you want to do, I'm fine with it. Whatever you say, Blue. Whatever. You are the godmother now. Eh? My baby sister, my twin sister, is in charge at the mob now. Eh? All right. I talk to you because I'm on a walk. I need to lose this weight. Okay. I will see you later. Love you too. Okay. Bye.
Yeah, Jagan, what I say? Yeah, man, I don't know. I'm doing that thing to link up with everybody in the mob family network, you see me? Yeah, man, because a little double standard thing was to take place, you see me? Our twin sister over try overthrow her and try to take the whole mob team to herself and use her work for them and them things. So watch you know? Hear me and say, I don't want no man to take no call from her, I hear that? Yeah, man, a Blue are the original mob boss, you know? You hear that? Alright, madam. Let's make sure so over your side, government and every shipment I come through clear. And no chat from Obi. Yeah, madam, because I don't know a Blue at the boss. You hear that? And a one map family. Unity and strength. You hear that? My dad. Blue be a one. Yeah, man, I just link up Dragon, man, and make him know say nothing from Obi, you see me? Tell him say make sure say every shipment I come through in a team place smooth. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I don't know. I can't go on your thing, because I'm say you there from day one, you hear that? And you make everything so strong to you right now, so we can't stop that. Alright then. Tell you, man. You know, I love you already. I don't make nothing wrong with your thing already, no, because I don't know, so I love you, though. Alright then. What you say? Alright then, look more then. Yo, Zombie, saying so for money is like the one Obi tried to say, oh, she want overthrow Blue and give her more money. You see me towards the shipments and everything, like she want take out Blue to the game, dog. Like she want run them up family.
So yeah, I said that, no more chatting, no more street control.
Dog, you know, Obi I did that, like she want overthrow Blue, I like that, because I'm say a Blue, did it from day one, a share father, matter of fact. Yo, get to the man, them come on every man.
Psycho, Ghost Rider, come cross.
Oh, go on. Yo.
One has in a psycho, Ghost Rider, you know what I mean?
No man, I take nut shot from Obi there because she come and try to use a little bird brain from her mother, like she want overthrow Blue. We did it from day one to it. I tell me like she want manipulate my brain, but she want to give more money and this and that, like she facing me and either. So the joke shipment and them thing there.
Some boss,
yo,
can't go on. Don't know what I mean like the thing in that stuff. Say you can't go on, you can't go on, boy. Lock off, you know.
What I mean, straight up.
Anything you say, boss. You don't know the thing, you know.
Yeah, no man I attack from Obi because she not right. I don't like how she did me. You hear that? Ghost Rider.
One voice, done voice.
I don't want no man to try to do anything, dog.
I'm a boss. From Psycho, you know. You want to know. One bag look short, you know.
One buck that, the way you see that.
Yeah.
Boy says so, yo. But let's see if it's good, dog, because the way ever put the thing in it, dog. care and put the thing.
Still, I want the next one still.
Yeah, man, I forget asking because I'm care and put it in them tuntels. So I carry this, so yo. No catch and put the stock in the dog.
Yo, just say the word, man.
So I go and give the weed.
I want to give me a story, you know.
Dog, what the man I did, man, youth? Man shot one and the man, dog.
Just say the word.
I get rid of him, man. I say I read, man. Because Blue don't tell me to do already, you know. Yeah, you see me?
Boss him short.
I get to Blue.
Boss him short.
Yeah, Angel. Yeah. No, so the transaction with the I did some transaction. You know, so that night they tell me. They tell me, say, for the UDS from Team and Blue. 5 million in a Team account. Yeah, man. I even there I deal with, man. Alright, thanks. Yeah, man. You know, say, I never remember nothing. No, it's not a good thing she called me. I never remember anything about that. To deal with it right now. I never remember 5 million in that night account. I set up Blue. Alright. Yeah, man. And they say 5 million in a that night. Yeah. Okay, so I'll deal with this thing, yeah. So the boss can get to him forget. What night? Yeah, I just deal with the thing them, you know. I just deal with the thing behind the boss. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, you can check the account anytime because it's supposed to go on through and you send it off and everything already. 5 minutes you put it on your own, man. Yeah. Alright, my general. Say a word. Hello, Psycho, my main man. What's going on?
I'm going over it. That's how it's free.
I need you to get rid of Blue. Serious now. I know you're all the way in Jamaica, but you got connections now over here.
Yeah, man. That's how I get rid of Blue. Long time I tell her to know, man. Just make a call him, man. I make a call everything I do. Yeah, man. Don't worry about Dark Knight, man. Dark Knight's off, man.
I know he's soft. Trust me, he's soft. As he would be with me. But listen, don't worry about that. I need you to make a couple of calls in Orlando. Yes, some of your bad man friend them. Yes. Okay? And set up the thing, because I haven't been hearing from Snow White for days. I don't know what's going on with her. Right. Let's get rid of this problem. It is a big problem for me. Right. I am going to be in charge of this mob enterprise, not her. And everybody better conform. Are you hearing me? I need this done quick. Please. I beg. Hey.
Yes, man. Alright, everything else over. Alright, great, guys.
You heard about that shit that OB and motherfucking Psycho got going on?
That's what I'm saying. What we required to do, but that's serious. That shit got to get handled.
Like, you need to be getting in touch with that nigga Dark Knight so he can handle that shit. Call that nigga up and see what's up, cause I mean this shit can happen at any time. I know that nigga on some snake ass shit. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna have to take a trip. I mean, it is what it is. But by Blue, you know, we got after this bullshit, cause you know what I'm saying, I ain't on the fuck shit. So you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and call that nigga up.
Hey, Doc. Hey, listen, man. Check this out, man. This Spider, man. I'm riding, man, Cleo in traffic right now, man. Listen, man. That situation, man, with Psycho, man, get that handled in the next 24 hours, man. And that's your situation, man. If that ain't handled, man, me and Cleo will be on the next flight. And, man, 2 birds in 1 stone, man. Play your cards high as death.
See it that night. Do you know? Again.
Dog, but wait, dog. At this Psycho really give me my swam to the next 2 package, dog. You must say the man done shot for the next one day, dog, and this in the dog, and plus some weed in a bad man. Dog, everybody really did, man.
Don't tell you.
Man, you hear me saying, dog? him not right, you know. I'm done a style thing with blue already, you know. And him and Obi are linking in mind. So watch, you know. Let's get with them. I'm a sharp with too much. You see me, dog? I have to get with them a little more. You hear that?
You say the word.
Yeah, man, you must get rid of man, because Blue give me a talk for the more day, you know, dog. Because him a link with Obi as when I say nobody. You see me?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, man.
Chop him up.
Zombie.
Alright.
Curfew the place, say no for dealing. We don't want no gunshot fire.
Alright.
Go straight.
Long
You see
time.
me?
Did him like how they the cow and the goat them.
Wait,
I made from the 18 of that, because I know so you never shot the stock, you know. From the last one, you know. Because I see the boy, you don't read the mind already. And you see the same thing come to you, bad man.
A three is a
Get
strike.
to them, dog. You hear that?
Three is a strike, but a two for
Yeah,
him.
man. Look for more. Want some tongue out and head, dog.
Straight ambushment.
Yeah, man. Ambush, man.
Cow
No gunshot
style.
female. You hear that?
Cow style.
Alright, my done.
Yeah,
Out there.
Cross him throat.
Right, man.
Out there.
Yo, psycho. Go move. Yo, night. You hear it, you know?
Yeah, go straight away. Say, catch the boy. Alright, I love that, my done.
Man, I said him go hell, man. Have him tongue still, I see it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you want to say, burn him? Cut out him tongue. That's gonna evil in dog. Yeah, man, I love that still. I bring him tongue forward when I see it. Because I want to get it to blue, you see me? Because she want it because she not like in farmer, you know. Alright, then, my done. Lick me.
Night.
Wicked people.
Out there.
Out there.
Boy, rapid burst, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, man, Blue most satisfying, you know. That's why I boy love chat, so, you know. Yeah, man, suck him mother. I love how they cut out him tongue, man.
See that?
It's a plus, you know,
Thing
my
that.
Jenna.
They say the plus.
Yeah, man, it is a plus, man.
Yeah, man.
So we chop up the boy,
Could
man.
cut off me and bring come to.
Yeah, man.
Why,
But
you
everybody, nah.
don't know, say they soldier them outside, you know.
Alright, I ain't good at this, isn't it?
Alright.
Don't know.
Look how they did with it.
Watch man, you know, so me have to go link Dark Angel, because we have something to talk about, you know.
Yeah, man.
Set up a meeting, you know.
Yeah, man.
Feel me?
I reach that, man.
Yeah, man, no doubt, man.
Anything, anything, you know, isn't it? Yeah, man. I can watch that and while you're able to see a boy on the road. So, deal much.
Yeah, man, we have to deal with that again. Yo, Dark Angel, a Jagan, man. What you deal with? You don't know, say, we have to go set up a link, mama. Yeah, man, we have to go set a link tomorrow, you know. Oh, tomorrow stay for you. Alright, here we go. Make it before 5 o'clock now. 5 in the evening before the sun go down. You see what I deal with? That's alright, man. Yeah, we have to go set that thing. Now say that, we can't talk over the phone. Let come on.
Right. Yeah, man. Long time you link to make it, isn't it?
We have a meeting tomorrow. That's alone with you.
So you part in there? You part in there? Alright, that's how good here. Thing good here, boy. Yeah, thing here. You must say, look at me. Go on. I say nothing in here. Thing good.
Shot fire, yeah, here we go.
Yeah, man, yeah, here we go and boss. I'm ready for anything, you know, boss.
Anything or anything.
Ready, you know, cause them boys.
Yeah, we are lining up 2 bikes and get the warrior them out, you know, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, get any more meat now, kick boy. Yeah, we are loan for your kick.
We are
meat,
loan,
boy, yeah,
man.
man.
We
We
are
are
loan
loan.
for
You know, that's the word.
We
You
are
are kick.
loan for your kick.
Yeah,
No
man.
boy can do
Show us
that.
some more.
No more meat
Murder.
than I keep. You hear me? I say, man.
Shoot up 2 of them in there.
Yo, shot fire.
Yo, boss.
Any more meat in your ear, I kick, boy. You hear me? I said,
Yeah, man,
gunshot.
yeah,
Grim
man.
blood.
Straight,
No,
man.
sir. No, for
Straight,
the
boss.
minute,
Don't
you
do
know.
that.
Personally with it, you know.
I know it,
Yeah,
no.
I have a shell it, you know.
Yo,
Capture
Yeah,
them
we have
for them. You know.
Yeah, man, the boss don't know, so we are beat it.
Yeah, bring we are one
Don't be happy
victim.
make
Yeah,
it.
in my head
So
or
don't know
something.
enough.
Yeah.
Word.
Yeah, man.
Deal with
Yeah,
it in
man.
a mad one.
Yeah.
Safe.
Both of them boys.
Yes, still.
Sister them, nah, more.
Yes,
good,
General,
yeah.
you know, so me have to deal with the
Sister them a
master.
split side pan with brother.
Yeah.
One side today and your side, any other side.
Yeah, man,
White.
your
Yeah,
side,
then
no
you
boss.
them not deal there, we are deal with
Yeah,
them.
General,
Right now, this is a
man,
take
now deal with
over,
it,
you know,
man,
brother.
that's
Yeah, man, boss, right
I'll
now.
take over this and get
boss.
it.
Your side, no boss.
Yeah,
You
man,
want them
some
boy
man
they
there.
do.
So
Yeah,
what
man,
does
we
you
are
do?
shot
them,
fire
man.
with you with him, man.
No more meat,
Murder,
yeah,
man,
man, I
go
say
over
charge
there.
it.
Yeah, man. We are going to stop it, man. We are going to bust
all right,
some
all right.
shot
Yeah,
for
we
them.
don't-
Run out, I think, boss.
Mad dog.
We have to govern the place.
Yo,
Yo, mad. Shot fire.
shot
Fire
fire.
deal with.
Watch him.
Shot fire, watch ya. So stand up on a little. More you go make a circle on the road and look what go on.
Yeah, man.
Where them a hang out.
Alright, boss.
Yeah, man,
Anything
tell
what
you.
you say, boss, I deal with that.
You see when I forward back anything, you just make Grim Lord know. Yeah, man, I tell you.
Any
Yeah,
one
man.
of them
Yeah,
want
them
to
would
just
have
deal
deal
with
with
Yeah,
it.
man. So I go up on the road, go see
So
what
fire
go on.
ram, so shot fire, deal with it.
Alright, boss, a little more, yeah.
Alright. There you dog, man. That man tell you say how. Them nah move good, brother.
Show man, long time forget what the board.
No more people now sell drugs or collect excursion, boy, but wait.
How you mean if we place man the boys?
And see if we not collect excursion, none now collect. That we are tell something.
Yeah, it's shot fire come in back now, we got fire shot.
So dog, yo, come here, we are go up on the stash house here.
Yeah, man, so they're on our way, man. So here what we are going to do. Yeah. We need the man them for the have the place locked in up. No loose bar, you see me?
I know I think of it.
Yeah, man, a real thing. Yeah, me know. Terminator.
Long time, man.
He out, top shotter.
Yeah, I'm a killer. What
You lock it, sir. A long time I don't see no man them, man.
Yeah, man, you know, say,
What
come
time
on,
is that sexy one? I come buckler, what my friend? Yeah, man, I share the big moment.
Alright,
You
so
see
your
me, sir?
godmother run things like that.
Yeah, man, so that me call it to tell you.
Oh, for real,
You
for
see,
real,
100
for
so.
real.
We don't
Alright,
really
so-
have to do nothing to make you know, because you have the link, you
So
know.
you link up with Dark Knight Posse and everything.
Buckler, the whole
Alright.
works, man.
You don't
The
know
whole
Kingston
street
in
lock.
that
The whole street lock.
Alright.
Big up yourself, brother. The whole Buckler street lock.
Post the clock, I saw we have
But no, you think already, you know.
How
That boy that looks up. Alright, stop.
Send one of the girls, let go dig off the boy, no man.
We're not, hear what me say, we're not look no unnecessary attention. So hear what? Deal. Yeah, man, because I know nothing to make too dopey, but we don't need that right now, because money man I make, you know.
So when you
You see what me say?
send them on the work?
Here what go on now. And that we are organized, because the thing have to plug in right. You see me, we can't, no loose bar.
No loose ball.
Yeah, man, we have to just do the thing right, because watch that now. That's why we not even make some dopey, you know, because we don't want no Babylon and nobody to run. Yeah. You see me?
Babylon and nothing. Get that shit, them all get that shit.
Shut a boy now, the face if they run out.
Watch out, after they run, you know.
You press to shut a police boy now.
General person, what go on? Right, boss, more go lick road, make you know what go on. Come see boy them a move away, boy them thing big out there, you know. So we have to know why General I deal with now. We have to go link him. What you do? Yeah, man, everything good, man. Cause I don't know, boss. I'm not go around the General thing.
I don't know, so we can't do looking in the man places.
Cool, man. You know the settings, man. Why I say, man. So you think we set, man.
Wire.
Why them?
Wire then.
Why go and boss it? You know me, do a shot of fire, man. I come give a little General. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So now deal with brother. You deal shot of fire.
Boss, you know, say you me come here link though. Cause me see the boy them a keep big meat out there, no bossy. You see me what the little juvenile they are telling you. Little juvenile know why I'm saying now. You see me? So me say
Serious thing. Serious thing I talk shot of fire.
Yeah, man, a big things the boy them a go on without the bossy. Yeah, man. So me have to make you know what I go on. So know you're a general, so you know how you feeling.
Shot of fire.
Yes, bossy.
Why you do that little thing for me?
Yeah.
Call Bone Crusher and Grim Lad for me.
Alright.
Deal with this and forward back.
Alright, bossy.
You see me?
Alright, bossy. General, so we come link him. You know what I go on. General. Go for that. The dog them bring come, man.
Shot of fire, come in. And up over here, some man. That tree killer them, my brother. Oh, now deal with them thing good, brother. Yeah, I know. It's the last year. No, sir, we have some problem doing that. No, shut up for you, tell me, say, yo. Dark Angel, them a keep big meat now for the front. Yes. I know some one man, them rise up a couple things and go surface the ground. Look what I go on.
Yo, just say the word, boss.
You have no person. Grim Lad walk with the AK now.
Yeah, man, call them boy, them
Let
get shot in the bossy.
me say no. Rise up a junk road type free.
What? You can't do that, brother. Hold on, brother. I'm not
You can't do that. Our soldiers thing.
Alright.
Yo, shut up fire. Rise up a junker. Yo, get
Cool, bossy.
Give Bone Crusher some matty.
Bossy, yo, bossy, told me that thing on me, I'll go for the thing and you need to be ready for sugar it up.
Yo, keep it down on that. What are you?
I must say the artists are work to you, dog. Man, have to kind of balance the nice things, said you. When I don't know the thing going on.
Real, man.
Grim Lad, real killer and walk with one gun, you know.
True.
Just bring another gun to you, my sister.
Real, man.
Some one man them just surface the ground. Look what I go and program the road.
Yeah.
I'll see how the thing set, you see me?
Yeah, man.
See if them move all too hard.
Yes,
Just a
bossy.
couple people to man.
I don't know if boss, man.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
Warrior, yo, I'll get some drink and the man them come up and some American. You see me? The man them just mash up that and forward back here.
Don't know.
Person, you go and well off the ground. Chase soldier them to do this.
Alright, boss. You don't know. Yeah, that
Alright, bossy, you see what I go on. You see me?
Shut up fire.
Yes, me
The
tell you.
junk will go at work here.
Yeah, man.
Deal with it.
Yeah, man, I'm mad up, man, bossy. Every boy dead out there, some man. You see me?
Nobody move down, I can't opinion. Nobody move, everybody come out, me shoot them. I inform a thing you look like it. Just pass me over to. Pass me over now.
Buck lad.
Yeah, here, General.
For the top, what you doing?
Yeah, man, we have a good dinner. Dark Angel and
Dark Angel.
You come in and
You don't know, you're the sexy guy. What are the sexy? Yeah. You don't know. All the man. Wow. All the for things are going on so much. Come back. I reach it already.
Yeah, man, I reach it.
Yeah, man, this look real, man.
Man, high grade, you know?
Come back.
Yo, I really woke up for that tonight.
Yo, Dark Angel, you're a funny girl, you know, I tell you, you know. See me? Sister, the girl them now play.
Now one of the bag one.
Another one, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. We try everything, you know.
I mean, man, everything with them up, isn't it? I'm gonna tell you, man, a couple of meals, you know. You don't know my work already now. See how the thing, I'm just saying, rain on yo, man.
Watch out. Just if you're loyal to your good work.
Yo, I like that, man.
Yeah, man.
So this a boy, yo.
Dog them off for living, you know.
What you mean, man?
I understand.
Yo, so give me
Yeah,
some
man.
money to now.
How are you talk, sir, man?
What you mean, man?
Yeah, man. Let's make sure.
But this have to
I
be
know
a-
you love one where you love
Ah,
money.
I
Like,
know what you mean, man.
that's how she go. I don't know a thing. Go. Yeah,
Young
man.
girl, you know, come in and
Yeah, man. That's all right,
you
man.
don't know it's nice right
Yeah,
there.
man, you know it's the next week, same place, same time.
Yeah, man.
What you mean, man?
Do the good work. Yeah, man.
Yo, I'm man.
Don't
You
watch,
see
man.
it? Watch, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
oh.
yo.
Oh, man.
Woman, we take care of yourself.
That's all right, man. Good work. Yeah.
You see me?
Yo, lock off.
Just
Money
one
today,
work after.
So how money I go? How money I go share,
Yo,
brother?
Rough Rider, don't worry yourself, man. You don't know, say me have a thing locked. Never did say yet.
Never, brother.
Alright.
Never. But
Alright.
me no want the thing to get shaky,
Don't
brother.
worry about shit.
I want my own,
You
brother.
want them here come. Them here come.
I boss at the button out. We see some people come here. We see them come here. Some people come here.
It's a customer,
I'm not looking for drink good enough.
Yes, sir.
What go on now?
We hear say Angel them they collect some things, you know, and we there to collect it, you know.
We there to
Nobody
collect.
else not go collect no money as about we, you know. See,
Yeah, man.
yo,
We are running off the thing. Nobody else now deal with it. We are dealing with it.
Tell me, say I'm a deal with the thing, you know.
Yeah, man. We are dealing with it.
I know, so we get Dark Angel the bag already doing, me done.
Dark Angel,
Yeah.
get where she forget already.
You know.
Nothing more now run.
Yeah.
Can't run nothing more in here,
Wanna
no.
feel like.
You don't feel like a madness.
Right now we done. You done not too. You done
Different
not
thing
too.
this
Them
now,
we
yo,
done.
the boss
Done
who are
thing
wait for
different
right
now.
now still, you know, and me I tell you say, nah, go so, you know. The way you angelize them come down here, Dark Angel and them can't collect no more money. And we are running off the thing right now, you
But
see.
she come all the while, and
Yo,
Dark
but
Angel
here what
and
me I
do it,
tell
you
you
know.
say, yo, we are waiting for the boss, and the boss we are waiting for right
Right now I'm a joke.
Get to the boss now.
No go on if you come deal with that our place, you know,
No,
mama.
no, that's
You know that, you know.
we don't know.
Gunshot to be for that.
We don't know, we can't be this, that's all.
Wagwan, you know. Wagwan, you know.
Go over here. Yo.
Hear me I say now, now.
Who want to Yo, give one what now? Yes, I don't know what to do. All like hectares and money, but I want to.
Watch it, that's it.
Come in, General.
Dark Angel, come, Alec already, you know.
Right now,
Hear me I
Right
say
now,
now.
I general this.
Right
I'm
now,
on the cliff.
right now we are getting to a dark
this, you know.
angel, them, you know.
I
And
done
we are
this,
running
I
off the
don't know
thing.
the general about, you know. Anything,
Right now,
anything.
from
One
San
general.
Pedro,
One
dark
One
angel,
general.
and one general.
We don't know what go on there, so now,
one
you know.
general.
Me don't know what go on, so me can't just let go of everything. I go
Hey, me say for leg of the king. Me say for leg of the money.
Rep, for my city, city. Rep, for my city. I put on. Angel eyes. I put on for my block. Rep for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Got a block unlock. You niggas ain't ready. 22s on the shoes when I cruise in a Bentley. Put on for my block. Rep for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Put on. I put on. Yo, full clip on the strip, heavy on the whip. When we roll like 4, 5, 6, we bomb that ditch. Heavy on the grind, stuck in the money now, we getting rich. Them call me the the audit. When paper pass the place get naughty. Chrome rims, ends a Ferrari. True to the game loyalty. Yo, yo, I put on for my block. Rep for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't with me. Got a block unlock. You niggas ain't ready. 22s on the shoes when I cruise in the belly. I'm bad, talking them with a smoke. We smoking that ooh la la. Got the party jumping like kumbaya. Ice on my wrist like oh my god, bling bling. We glowing in the dark.
Kill him. Hangman. Alright, we run go on. Come on. I say hangman and dash your man down so far.
I want them bomb buck like that. You want me to say? Call in the man, brother. Call in the man. You can't take no unnecessary fuck in that. I'm only way I make you can't take the murder vibe in that.
Hello. Jesus! Go be pick the way they kill God. Look for him, Jesus. Whoa. Somebody help me with him. Somebody help me, Jesus. Whoa, don't beg on the liquor water, no, please. Who don't serve for me, who don't have to help me take him up, Jesus. Good son. Jesus. Whoa.
You really man, dog. Do something now. Yeah, man. This is the Angelo Moore from out here.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, this is Obi. It's General about. It is important. Let me talk to him. Okay, I hold. Hello, General.
What you say?
How come they kill one of our guys? They are heartless.
Serious? So what you say? See him face and everything. You know how?
Is the son of one of their own crew member. They are wicked. What are you going to do about it? Why I am sending you guns and money down there to take out Blue's crew, the black mob? You guys are not doing a good job. I am vexed. Let me tell you something and listen to me good because I'm only going to say it once, Listen. Don't let me board the plane from America to come down to Jamaica to fire shot underneath your ass. I will take out all of you and the crew. Because I'm going to take over this mob business. Listen, me and her come from the same bloodline. She is my twin. Our uncle was Scareface. You know that. Our father was a twin brother of Scareface. And you guys are making me look like a fool down there. Don't worry about Blue. I got this. When I take her out, she won't know. She won't know what hit her. Right, handle your business. Right. Come off the phone and do what you have to do before I fire shot underneath your ass.
Yo, dark angel. You see what going on over there? I want like a fucked up thing and some boy I got dead feet. You know? We are going to set up them boys and rob them and shoot up some of them posters. You understand?
See, we there now.
Yeah, man. Some boy, I hear what going on. More shoot two of them posters all themselves. You hear that? So just line up your girls and do the thing. See? That's alright.
You see me? Mark and show the sexy clothes. And when the boy them come over, hook them down and take everything. And we are run this long time and we not let no boy come take over. Because they are going like, yo, you man tell me say them all rob a place. Yes, and gunpoint and them some in there. And we not this woman place, so we not this woman. We not this woman. You see me?
Some boy brain a go wash out, you know. Or can I go for them now, Angel?
Wait,
boy, with them take all with good boss, them can rub up human face.
Delicious, you not ready, that's all. Thank you, this young.
Some saltness this restaurant.
But yo, I want to work here, but I'm not.
We have to know you enjoy.
Oh, I punch, I will punch. Oh, that's delicious. We'll punch, come on. I will not spear around them.
No spear, what kind of saltness this man? I want one man. No man, how we say we can chop what we have a man to say.
Oh, man, them. Oh, I'm doing right. General, look for it to them.
Don't ask spear. Fly on it, man, let me take it down.
Fly, man. How them girl are? How them girl are? How them girl?
Rep for my city, city. Rep for my city. I put on. Angel eyes. I put on for my block. Rep for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Got a block unlocked. You niggas ain't ready. 22s on the shoes when I cruise in the Bentley. Put on for my block. Rep for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Put on.
Genuine star. Like for more than I can't stop thinking about the one blue, you know. Like every time I do, you know, I'm better sharing through my thoughts, through my brain.
Oh my God, I can't even sleep. There's so much going on right now within the mob family. But I tell you what, I don't know what I would do without my baby. Dark Knight has been so loyal to me since I was in. Now that I come out, he's really there for me. I can't stop thinking about it.
Genuine star. Need for her. I know she's my boss and thing, but can't stop thinking about her from she be at jail. You want she come out. Right now, just want she get the business up again and start float certain things from the real way. You know what I mean? The business official like our father used to be it. You see, although I know so our twin sister try to get out of the thing too, but I know start.
He's always on my mind. I fall for this guy in a major way. I don't know. He's my backbone. Just like Cleopatra, Dark Angel, Dragon, and the rest of the Black Mob family. I'm so blessed right now. Couldn't do it without them.
Need to have blue in my life. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I love her too much. You can't stop thinking about her. I'm a have to help her shook through with that mob family. You know what I mean? Cause right now, the only thing I make me eat food. And she make me eat all the food.
The godmother's fallen in love with the Dark Knight. Oh, he makes me so happy. Oh my God, I can't wait till I go out to Jamaica. It's gonna be me and him. When I finish put it on him, you see. He's not going to know what hit him. Eh? Oh, my Thai boy.
what's up?
How you doing?
I'm good.
You don't bite, right?
No, he good. He's a killer now.
Okay. How you doing today?
Hey, Venom, it is good to see you, eh?
Good to see you too.
I
How
hope
you been?
I'm good. I hope that you have come through for Obi.
Oh yeah, I come through for you. I got the 3 keys you've been asking for.
Are you sure? 3 keys.
3 keys.
Hey, I got the yayo.
And then in case anybody give you any problems, I got this for you too. Ready?
Oh, perfect. Ah, nice. Oh, and the clip.
Clip.
Ah, mwah. Yeah.
You got 2 clips.
Oh,
So
I
if
got
they-
good use for that.
Yeah, so if they give you any problems, you let me know and I have my boys come deal with them too, okay?
Oh, definitely. I'm going to have to speak to Snow White because I have somebody to take this bullet from this gun. Ah, yes. Hey.
Okay.
All right. Come, Sheba. Come to Obi. Hey, Snow White, how are you doing?
What's going on?
I'm glad you set up the 3 keys for me with Venom.
Yeah, it's good, and it's some good stuff too. It's the best.
And a gun. I have a proposition for you. Eh?
What's up?
I like that smile. You're so beautiful. I need you to take care of something very serious for me. Snow White, my girl. Listen to this. You know Dark Knight, our mob leader in Kingston. Yes? He told me he broke my heart the other day. He told me he's in love with Blue. Can you believe this shit?
Oh, what did he be seeing her?
I don't know. I have no idea. I am the better looking twin. She looked like a straight butch. I said butch, yo. I said butch.
I think he's using her.
You think he's using her?
Yeah.
Are you
I saw
serious?
him looking at you.
Are you too kind? Are you too kind?
I see the way he look at you.
I don't know. I'm getting mixed signal. He's all the way in Jamaica. He used to FaceTime me. He used to call me all the time.
But Blue is naive, so of course I'll use her too.
You might have a point there.
Using her for her money.
I don't know.
Like, what's going on? We've been doing that on our own.
Exactly. We don't need no Blue.
And if she's running around with the family and stuff, like, what's going on?
I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. But now she is the leader of the mob family, and I don't like it.
So what are we gonna do about it?
Here. This is what we're gonna do about it.
Okay.
I need you. She's supposed to take a trip and leave her son King with me while she go to Miami for a pickup. I need you to put a bullet straight in the back of her head. Okay. Do you hear me? Are you down for Obi?
Anything for you.
Hey.
You know I got that.
That's what I'm talking about. Bitch. I am the leader of the mob family, not her.
Exactly.
And I'm going to raise you up. Just put the bullet where it belongs.
Once you got me, I got you.
I said the bitch is out now. So I have lost the man. I have lost the mob. I have lost everything because of this bitch. I know she's my twin sister. Don't get me wrong. I love her. But I am jealous. Because I held the mob family down for 5 years. And all of a sudden, because she's out, she takes complete control. Because my father left her the black envelope.
Well, you need to change some rules.
Cheers to that.
Hey Blue, this is Anastasia calling. Sorry to call you after hours, but I just want to let you know that I have an update for you.
Hi Anastasia, how you doing? Everything is good with me. What's up? I hope you got some good news to tell, Blue. Yeah, you do? Well, let's hear it, baby. Spit. Okay, it's about my father's will and the trust that my father set up for me and King. Yeah, he did mention it into a letter for me before he passed away. No, I don't know how much. Could be a few million. It's better than that.
$45 million?
$45 million? Jaja, Rastafari Selassie, I ever live it.
Yeah, let me just double check that for you. Yes, and you wanna invest some of that money, like we talked about?
Yeah, I want to invest it for my mob family. Right, in stocks and bonds. Yeah? Because I want to make sure I quadruple my money. Yeah, so King can be comfortable and my whole mob crew from Jamaica, Atlanta, England, and Florida is safe. They can sit pretty. You feel me, girl? Right. Another thing, I'm going to open a chain of restaurants. It's going to be called Blue Steakhouse. Yeah. About 4. I want a chain. About 4 to start off with, then we can double up. After a year or 2, we see how it goes. Yeah? And then I want to open up a hair salon called Blue Moon. Girl, I'm going to have it locked off.
We should take half of that and put it in an offshore account for the criminal activity.
So you're going to transfer the money, the $45 million, to my Swiss bank account?
Yes. I'll get back in touch with you when the money is on its way. It should be there. Actually, it should be on its way right now.
It sounds good.
Nice talking to you, Blue. Be safe. I'll be up with you.
Right then. I'll talk to you soon. I'm glad you're on my books, baby. Yeah. All right. Bye. Hello, Blue Obi. How you doing, my twin sister? I haven't seen you in a couple of days. What's going on? I just got back in from Africa with the samples of diamonds. Oh, I said, Blue, you should see the diamonds. They just sparkle. Yes, I got through customs fine. I couldn't pay nobody off, but I got through. I said, God is good, oh. God is good. I said, diamonds rain on me, diamonds shower on me. Hey, you want me to bring the samples to you? Just know that the shipment will be with you within 7 days. I've arranged that. So let your sister, I've been working my ass off for you now. Take the trip to Africa, to Nigeria for these diamonds and get the samples for you and set up everything for you. And you want the samples? There's about 100,000 here. It is worth 100,000. Let that be my payment. Hey, I beg. Hey, I'm not bringing no damn samples to you. I earned that. Just know that the big shipment of the diamonds are coming to you and the diamonds are good. Don't you trust me? Hey. Anyway, when are you sending my gorgeous nephew King to me? This weekend. Is it this weekend that you plan to go to Miami for the other pickup? Hey, who you taking with you? You're going by yourself. Are you crazy, Blue? I can't afford anything to happen to you. Why are you taking that risk? Listen, you are getting very sloppy now. You're getting very sloppy. I got plans. Let me send Snow White with you. She can drive in the same vehicle or she can drive in her own vehicle behind you. You need extra muscles, And you know Snow White is so beautiful. And she's very loyal to us. I'm going to send Snow White with you. Yes? Okay, good. I will call Snow White and let her know that she must stay with you. How long are you staying for? Just one night. Okay, that's fine. A quick thing, in and out, Yes, I'm so proud of you, my sister. I tell you, you're the godmother now. I'm so happy, Even though it should have been me. Well, I guess Father know what he's doing, because I'm very hard-headed. You are the intelligent one, You are the calm and deadly one, Where if I'm going to kill you, I'll let you know I'm going to kill you. Where you're not going to say anything, you just put a bullet in somebody's head. I said bullet, I said bullet. Anyway, Blue, I got to come off the phone. I'm tired. I am jet lag. You hear me? Jet lag, girl. I'm jet lag. I said I am jet lagged. Anyway, let me ask you a question before I come off of the phone. Oh. Hey, are you in love with Dark Knight? You are? Pity. Hey, pity. You get everything, eh, sister? You are blessed. I'm telling you. Anytime you are fed up with Dark Knight, just pass him here to me. That cute son of a bitch. Oh. I said he is so cute. You are lucky, my twin sister. You are lucky. I'm sure he got a big one too. I could take it right now. I tell you. I need to go to Miami with you too, you know. Let's go drink and have some fun. You want to go by yourself? Okay, be like that. Anyway, I'm tired though. I'll talk to you later. I love you. All right, bye. My God, what a lucky bitch, oh. Eh? She get the man, she get the mob, she get the diamonds, she get the money. Eh? She get everything. My father leave over 45 million for her and King. And what do I get? Nothing. I tell you, I'm going to make sure that Snow White killed that bitch. Let me call Snow White. Dead oh. I said she's going to be dead oh. I hope Snow White pick up. Snow White. My girl. Listen. I've arranged for you to follow. Follow that bitch Blue. Matter of fact, go in the same car with her and make it easier. Simple thing. In and out. Just make sure you put the bullet where it belongs. Make sure you do a good job now. In a few days, I will be the leader of the Black Mob Enterprise. I tell you, well deserved. Can you believe that bitch? I come back from Africa with the samples of diamond and she want me to give her the samples. I'm supposed to keep the samples for myself. That is my payment. I can get 100 or 200,000 for it. Greedy bitch. Put a bullet in her for me. Please, I beg. I need this problem to go away. So I can get everything and get Dark Knight and everything. All right. I appreciate you. All right. Talk to you soon. And listen, let me know when it is finished. All right. Bye. End the story, oh. End the story. This house thinks she got it all mapped out, but I know she playing me. That's why I'm using her right now. That's why I used her to go to Africa, and I'm still using her in the mob. It's not every time when your enemy do something, you kill them straight away or let them know what's going on. You gotta be like a serpent. You gotta be like a slick ass snake. Cause she ain't gonna see me coming. I'm a snake when I'm ready. You know I have to be. And I'm gonna bite her with all my venom. Don't she know that I'm the godmother? That's why my father left me in charge of this mob right here. Yeah, I got my crew. I ain't even worry what she trying to set up. And I know she after my man, the Dark Knight. But you know what? She can't have him. And she can't have the mob. She can't have my position because it's not for her to have. Bitch ass. I got something for her. But you know what? I'm just gonna hang on and keep on using her and act like I'm dumb. And then I'm gonna just bite her ass. Oh! And me are the godmother. Them better know. Right, and me run this. Now she run me. You think me I gonna make that they have this style me? From she small that the bitch they jealous of me. Right, me glad say me hardcore. Right, she better recognize and know her, please. The grave I wait for her. Trust me. this. We got to do a bank transaction. And I'm going to send you in with 3 keys. It's good stuff. It looks good, right?
Right, either, babe. I'm gonna make sure you got the money for the yayo.
You better recognize who is in control. The godmother talking to you live. You better pull it up enough for me and you, Cleopatra.
That's how it's gonna be because you got the money in the bank. You're gonna make the transaction. Oh, girl. These $100,000, you know what I'm gonna do with them things? We going out to Cali with those. Girl. Yes, my husband is gonna love me for this one.
Today must be my day. Let's see if the transfer is in. Cause my ride or die, Cleopatra, I know she done good by me. Okay, let's see. Great. The 100,000 is in my account right now. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
I think I have a diabolical plan up my sleeve today. Let's see what I can do. I'm kind of in the mood to hack something. Godmother Blue was telling me about Franklin's mall. Let's see what we're gonna do. That 20,000 pounds sure does sound good right now. I'm in. 20,000 sweet pounds coming your way. There we go.
Godmother Blue. Yeah. Got them fuckers. You get me? Fucker them. They think they're smart. Yeah? Check your bank account. Yeah? Trust me. Check your bank account. 20 million there in your Swiss bank account. Yeah! Told you them little fuckers there. Yeah, alright. Alright, cool. No say a word. Alright.
Hi, Cleo. How you doing, darling? Oh, nothing much. I'm just here plotting, drinking some wine, thinking how I'm going to make money. I know that's what you like to hear. Listen, On a serious note, I got a job for you, Zoo, and D. Listen, it's a classic weekend, right? That means there's money down there, right? And that means that there's plenty of classic cars and expensive cars there. And I want a couple. How many? 20. Do you think you guys can handle 20? Yeah. Call out some of the other guys that we use as extra. Yeah. Because I want it to run smoothly tonight. Listen, a lot of people have paid some of these parkers to park their cars and keep it safe. Well, guess what? Blue got it down pat. They're working for me. So when these people are drinking, eating, having a good time and everything, we take the cars. Simple. So I need you to scope out the place from today, all of you. Right. And see where these people are parking their cars. It really doesn't really even matter who they're giving their money to, you know, park their cars for them, because everybody's on my books. You understand what I mean? What are you talking about? I blew your talk to you now. How you mean? Remember, my uncle was Scareface, you know, and you remember who my papa was? Right. Me not easy. So listen, most of the police are paid off. And the guys who are parking the cars are paid off. Okay? Right. We just give them like a chicken scratch. And I'm cool with that. Yeah. So listen. On a doing a thing. Make sure you call Bulldog. I got text him number. Yeah? Call Bulldog is our auto mechanic specialist. Matter of fact, the nicest car. May I go spray play? I can't get my words out right. The drink is getting to me. I'm going to have him spray paint it blue. Right. So make sure you do a good job. I know you always come through, baby. All right. I'll talk to you. All right. Wait till it gets dark, though. Don't do nothing before it starts getting dark. And, you know, because this time them drunk, they're under their liquor and everything. Them not even remember when them car parked or rotted. You understand? Cleo, this can bring us in at least $300,000. Listen, me not know about you, but me need my money. And listen, me and y'all, I'll go on vacation at Jamaica soon. Right? Because I have a little Thai boy out there. Oh, you mean? Me have a little Thai boy out there, dark night. Me have to go there. Oh, you mean? Right. All right, later. Oh, my God. I don't know what they put in this damn wine.
Cleo, man. I'm at the motherfucking classic trying to scope out the scene, man. About to later on, I'm finna come pick up these cars, man. But I can have Zoo and D to come raw, man. I'm about to leave this bitch now, so we can hit out this bitch later on and shit, so we can, you know what I mean, hit, because I see some dicks in some of these motherfuckers, though. Alright, holla.
Rep for my city. Rep for my city. I put on. I put on. Angel eyes. I put on for my block. Rep for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't with me. Got a block and lock. You niggas ain't ready. 22s on the shoes when I cruise in a Bentley. Put on for my block, rap for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Put on, put on, I put on, put on. Yo, yo, full clip on the strip, heavy on the whip. When we roll like 4, 5, 6, we bomb that ditch. Heavy on the grind, stuck in the money, now we getting rich. Them call me the audit when rip pass at the place.
Cleopatra. Yeah, Blue. What's up? Listen, I gotta go by the strip club. I need you to be strapped up and ready. What you mean what happened? Listen, I ain't playing. I'm gonna bust a cap in their ass. You hear me? Blue don't play that. Right, make sure you strap. They either give me my money or it's gonna be a clip up the coochie. Simple. Bullet in the coochie or pay me my money. Right. They're gonna know I am the wrong one to mess with. Right. Okay. Half an hour.
Godmother, where you at? You at the strip club already? I'm on my motherfucking way. All these niggas owe us our money. We on the way. I got your back. You know I'm your right hand man. Don't do nothing. Just stay put. Park your car. What you riding in? So you gonna ride in the 745 all black. Well, I'm gonna pull up next to you in my Infinity. I got my Glock, my AK, and my Draco with me. So what you got? When Cleopatra come up in that motherfucker, this shit finna be set the fuck off. Man, your twin sister is full of it. She's always doing some shit, man. Fuck, man. Now I'm on the way, man. I got 30 minutes till I get to you. How about that? I'm on the way, nigga. Stay put. I'm flushing right now. I'm coming. It ain't gonna be no talking when I come. I'm going straight to the trunk, pulling out my shit. Draco's gonna get loose. Alright. Bye. And it's 4 out on the other side of the town. So, I mean, how much longer you want?
I said, long you ain't gotta know you right now, because a lot of these goddamn crackers and people around and shit right now. So we gonna go over there and we gonna go in there and just see what they want. If not, we gonna have to call them. I got off the phone with Mika, and she said that, you know what I'm saying, she sees Blue. So, that's however you want to do this.
We'll call them up and do something, cause shit, I need my money by the end of the day.
You're the only one shit, you know.
Cause I don't want Blue to keep sending me out here with you niggas about this money shit. I'm telling you, cause I got my own shit going on.
I keep telling these motherfuckers, period, man. If it don't make motherfucking dollar, it don't make sense, man.
So what the fuck going on, man?
I'm trying to make me a damn $1.15. That's just my motto. That's what we do. I keep telling you, you can tell these bitches the same thing I'm trying to tell you.
Man, look, man, them hoes you need to check these hoes. These hoes probably be spending their money somewhere else and ain't bringing no money to the motherfucking table. I can't be losing out on none of these hoes. Putting clothes on these hoes back, feeding these hoes, giving these hoes money. I can't be doing none of that for these hoes. And y'all can't be fronting these hoes shit up.
Yo, what go on watch, man? What you say? Problem? Yo, what go on? I'm here tell you say our twin sister Obi try to take over, you know. Yo, me not even load up the thing. Yo, me come link you right away. Because we have to go show Obi an example. We have to go make an example out of one of the Hellraiser gang, you know. You understand? Hellraiser, Obi, I own a man. Yo, Blue run thing. Black Mob Enterprise. Hard, I'm going to tell you. Somebody have to get dash way. Yo, got a meeting there with Watchman, right, you know. See me? Yo, what go on, Watchman?
What go on, Dark Angel?
Yo, we there, you know.
Everything blessed?
Of course. You don't
there,
know?
man.
So what go on?
I'm going to tell you, say nothing no good in a mama. See, you know, say the boy undertaker. The boy turn snitch, you know. And you know, say, all of the things them are coming short. And what them are coming short, you know, mama.
Yo, we have to go dash with that boy there, you know.
What you mean?
So what go on? Yo, let me tell you something. You want to know, say, Blue, right?
Yeah.
Scareface needs in a real life. You see what I say? You understand? I have one twin sister named Obi. And she, the girl there, farm up in areas of young. You can try to take over the thing of my youth.
What you say, Dark Angel?
Yo,
so me just get them news.
Work.
I wipe out you. All of them.
You don't know, say we not deal with the phone talk more. You don't know the phone thing go already.
You know you have to come on my foot, man. Because we not too deal with the phone call thing, you know.
People have to get dash with you.
Mama, me love that, you know, man. And you know, say, you know, say, from a gun time, you know. See, we don't run joke with certain things, you know.
Thing about you.
Nobody can this godmother, you know. You hear me, I say? Nobody, anybody this godmother have to deal with me.
Long time Blue are running thing, you know. You see me? And we not sit down and make the girl take over the thing, you know.
Mad
you
mama,
understand?
take over.
Black Mob Enterprise belongs to Blue. You see what I say?
You
alright, Watchman. So what we
you call up a boy there. See?
Alright.
And we are going to just deal with the thing. See me? You know what you do, you know. Long time you work for me, you know what thing going on. See?
Mean, man.
So you what? Just heal up godmother for me, see? Tell her say everything good. Any problem she have, she just call me.
Alright, you don't know, say.
You know, you know a thing going on. So you what? I'm going to mash up a thing, you know. So look a bit, see?
Right now, people dead.
You link you, man. Look a bit. All of them are get white.
I show only shipment to go for them boy there now. You see me?
You know, there are 250 people to my job. And them boy, they make a whole of the money and we are going like we are eat that and we are carry the job.
Yeah man, that's what we do yesterday. You don't know the thing going on. Only shipment to do for them and you don't know our things set, you know. We are going to run things now, you know, because we are trying to deal with the thing one way where we want to take over things, you know.
You see it?
You see me?
So you take some of this tonight, you know. And you better come out here.
Yeah, anything, cause right now, that
if anything, I'm going on anywhere, you know. You know,
we don't know anything go here, cause you see it. I'm ready for bust all the boy for you to know watch, man. Yeah, man, do that, man, cause that's how our things thing. Like, I don't know, we not doing no low thing, you know. Our thing well up, you know.
True, we not take no.
Yeah, man, this a few, man. You don't know what them are doing. You know, say a bad man thing, and we are going to run it.
You don't breathe easy. I don't get so we are going to see.
Alright, so, yeah, man, you're good, man. I can't go, man.
Alright, look come on.
Respect.
Alright,
yeah, man, you're good.
Dark Angel. Go and give me a link right now. I'll show you something in a ramp. A boy in a ramp with my thing and get it. A boy in a ramp with my thing certainly. The whole heap of effort me put out, see? You don't know say. The boy rob up the thing. The boy on the thing.
That's
what rob up the thing, you know.
See, I'm sorry, little
See?
girl, tell you.
So you what? Who you call it? See? Yeah man, me just call him on the end.
Yo, watchman. Yo, undertaker.
Yo, boss. You know, say look at them, find out say we're going at them things. Them find out say me check out with me, you know. Me a watchman just a call me, you know. Me a call Dark Angel, you know. And me see two and chick on the front, you know. You know, say sitting right door. Me a go to them, you know, boss. You know what you have to do. Yo, what me do? What me do?
Yo, Dark Angel want to, you know, we are bringing it to her.
Alright. What?
Yo, wagwan, dog. Yo, all the things they're missing.
Me don't know what you're talking
I
about.
mean, you don't know wagwan. And you and watchman alone know about the stashment, you know.
I said I'm on me get me can't come, you know.
Shipment, listen. What you do? We not Black Mob Enterprise today. More I want today.
Man, you don't know a thing. I love you in a base. How are yourself, man? I come link you, man. How are yourself, man? I come check you, man. Yeah. Don't know, man. So the thing to tell you that me need. Soon come check you, man.
Yo, pussy. Come out for that. Come out of right now. What do you think? Boss, man.
What?
No long man, why you? Yo, we say I'll snitch, you know. Right now, we raise them to that dash away, you know. Because it's a war be a here. Eh? A blue run this man.
Yo, what is for? You can't. Hey, boy. What is for?
Turn up your style.
Yo, I want to do. You know, say a bad man. You know, say a bad man too, man. Come out here. I want to do it. I want to do. I don't show it. Yo, I don't show it. The race a crew. There, I know. I want to move, sir. When I deal with it, boy, punish it, boy. Punish it. Sure.
Sit down, yes, sir.
What are you doing? Yo, the time.
What do you mean we are doing?
You know what, boy.
Yo, we are making an example out of you.
Boy, you chat too much. Tie up him. Shut up.
Shut your eyes. We are going to send a message to Wobby, you see me? And he'll raise a blood plate, gang.
Tie up him, man. Boy, you chat too much. Hey, boy. What me drugs there? Eh? What me drugs there, boy?
Talk up people, I see no one. Talk up the man.
What you asking? Pull that me mirror, myself.
Where else, boy?
What you asking?
I don't know what you talk about.
What you mean saying I don't
know what you talk about, you know.
You and the boy and the take and a rob up the thing.
No, man, I don't know nothing what you talk about, man. You don't know.
Hey, boy. You and the boy and the take and a rob up the thing.
Yo, I put down.
Hey, boy. You know, give me no information.
No information.
You tell me as somebody for your ramp with?
No information.
You never hear about me? I mean name Watchman, you know.
Cause my friend never come back for no. No
information. Boy, you never hear about me. You never hear about me, boy. You never hear about me. I mean name Watchman, you know. I mean name Watchman, you know. You never hear about me, boy. Me not show you say enough for ramping here. Me not ramp with people, you know, boy. You know what I say? Me not ramp with people and me run the whole place. You see me? You see when you see Watchman, don't play. Murder you. So me I say, murder you.
Boy, they are strap. How are going?
Yo, come we left the place, you know.
We could take him and dash him. Dash away, boy. We can't leave him. Dash him, we make we dash him.
Yo, Dark Angel.
Yo,
finish it.
Hold on there. Hey, boy. Hold it. Hold that, boy.
You know, we can't leave him so because we don't want nobody cheer, you know. We dash him.
Alright.
Hello. Is this the anonymous line? Yes. I have some important information to tell you about Blue. Listen. Connect me through to Scotland Yard. Because I want this done proper. Yes. You will connect the call. Thank you. Matter of fact, I'm going to go outside the house. I don't want nobody overhearing me. Because what I got to tell them is highly important. Okay, I'll hold. Hey, is this the anonymous line? Yes. Could I speak to one of your undercover detective or officer? Yes. What is my name? Hey, are you thick or what? This is the anonymous line. I don't need to give no name or. Just know it is valuable information. Yes. You'll get somebody. Okay, I'll hold. This bitch Blue. I have a crew shooting up the place and killing off my people down there. Wait till I finish with her. She will go back into jail and spend more than 5 years. She will do the 30. Hello? Yes. I have some important, valuable information to give you. I know you detectives. I want to take down Blue. Yes. I am good source of information. Why is it? I can't really say. Right, this is the anonymous line. I can't tell you who I am. Just know whatever I'm going to tell you now, it is good, valuable information. You could bring her down and her black mob crew. Yes. Okay. Listen. They are extorting money. They are laundering money. Swiss bank account. Hackers from England. And they have the mob crew in Jamaica. That are extorting all the shops, all the business, everything. They are killing. They are robbing. You cannot have this. And her right hand, Cleopatra, that is another bitch. You got to bring her down too. She is too slick. She knows that you guys are on the trail. But you've got to get Blue out the way. It is important. The streets are hot now because of Blue. She's in the money. I am telling you, she is in the money. She has people from HQ base from Florida going to Africa to bring samples of diamonds. Hey, are you listening to me? She have the streets locked off. So she got the coke, she got the diamonds, the money laundering, everything, the bank accounts, even in Switzerland. Check. I said check. She is making your department look stupid. I'm telling you. She is worse than Scareface. And the one that was from Mexico that dug the underground tunnel. She is smart just like that one. I can't remember his name. She is a real mafia bitch. Yes. And let me not forget to tell you, she have all the strip clubs locked off on Orange Blossom Trail in Orlando. I am telling you. She is so greedy for money. She would even put our mother on the pole if our mother was alive. I am telling you. You wouldn't even believe who I saw in the strip club the other night. Madia. Can you believe that she told Madia dropping it hot for Blue? This is crazy. You got to do something. Imagine if that was your daughter. These girls are somebody's daughter, somebody's child. She's so greedy for the money. She sent that bitch Cleo the other night to the club. To terrorize these stripper girls for her money. You got to do something. Scotland Yard, you got to do something. Make sure you connect with the police them in the USA. Yes. Give them all the information that I gave you. Bring this bitch down. I beg, bring this bitch down. Yes. All right.
Detective Lovey.
Yes.
We have to get the Black Mob Enterprise family off the streets, especially Blue. She too smart.
Yes, we gotta get the right man to get
Yeah,
Blue
we
off
have
the
to get.
streets.
Yeah, we have to get Cleo too.
Yes, we gotta get Cleo.
So you know what we can do?
Yes.
We can park a van, the Spectrum van, in front of Cleo house, and we can put a tracker on Blue car.
Yes.
Don't forget, Blue have everything. She have the strip club with the holes in it. She have the weed. She have the coke. She has the diamonds too. And let's not forget, she's very smart. Her and Cleo laundering their money. And they switching it to different bank accounts.
Yes, we know how to get them down.
We have to take them down.
Yes,
I want to get Blue first, then get Cleo, because Cleo ain't gonna know what hit her when we take Blue first.
Yes, kill her real good.
I have to get Blue. You don't understand. I got a vendetta out for her. I suspect that she have my twin sister, Queen, working in her club.
Serious?
Yeah. But Queen won't give me no information. I keep trying to get it up out of her.
We gonna have to set her up.
Nah, Queen on her book, so Queen not gonna tell me nothing.
Let me check Blue come see. They got a woman shit on it. Well, I seen some suspicious shit OB got going on around this motherfucker. Check motherfucking Blue car. I'ma see what the fuck OB got going on. I've been seeing some suspicious shit. They don't know I've been watching out and shit. So let me see what the fuck going on around this motherfucker. I think they got this bitch tapped. They already got my motherfucking phone and shit tapped. Look what the fuck I found. OB with the bullshit. Alright. I got something for her motherfucking ass. I bet they won't be watching shit else. I had my motherfucking phone tapped anyways with the bullshit OB.
Hi, Dark Knight. What's up? I'm missing you like crazy, man. Soon as I come touch down at Jamaica, I get a little piece of you know, because listen, this not gonna walk. Yeah, you miss her? Right. How you sound, sir? What's wrong? Come again? One of your guys in the crew is a Judas. Are you serious? Well, I don't know. Some of your crew over here in my talk to Snow White? Really? About me? How will y'all say? Oh my God. And Obi want her to go to Miami with me. Alright, don't worry about it. Me just like, you know, me always play it cool. Don't worry yourself. Me got this simple something. Simple something is just one phone call, as Vibe Cartel say. One phone call. Me I gonna make argument done. Alright, me talk to you. Cleopatra. Blue. It look like we have big problems, you know. And it's in the camp. You hear me? In the camp. Somebody's betraying us. Because Dark Knight just called from Jamaica and let me know what's really going on. Right. One of the guys on his crew is a Judas, right? And that same Judas is linked up with Snow White. And Snow White's supposed to follow me to go to Miami. That's what Obi wanted, for extra protection. Something not right. But listen, me still I go to Miami, me not care. But listen, play it real smart. You understand what I mean? I needed to send Black Spider and Zoo. They need to follow you. Right. Need to pay Snow White a visit. Yeah. Tell her I send my regards. Yeah. Do what you gotta do. Torture her. Whatever you gotta do. Slow death. I don't care. Make her drink bleach. Or acid up the gal. Whatever you got to do. Eliminate her. I want her eliminated before I go to Miami. Yeah? And I'm going to drop off King as regular to Obi. Right. I don't want Obi to know anything. Let her think that Snow White is going with me. Because I saw them want to play me. It don't matter. You know what? I think it's time for King to get initiated soon. That time is coming, yeah? Anyway, I'll talk to you. All right then, darling. What's wrong with you, King? Seriously, what's wrong with you?
Because you just came out of prison, right?
Right.
And you're not spending enough time with me.
I gotta run this errand. I gotta go to Miami just for one day. I'm gonna take you to your Aunt Obie's and I'm gonna leave you there. You know how much it means to you when you spend time with Aunt Obie. You know she loves you like her own son. Just one day. Listen, I make a deal with you, right? Put your tongue in your damn mouth, boy. Right, I make a deal with you. When I get back from Miami, I'm gonna take you to Disney World. Right?
And can I go to someone's house?
Yeah, you can go to your sister's house, Shoulder's house, okay? Right. Let me tell you something. It costs money. I lost a lot of money when I was locked up those 5 years. I want to treat you like a king because you're my king and I love you. You hear me? You're going to need your PS5. You're going to need clothes, jewelry, and you're going to want to do, well, PS4, PS5, whatever. You need things. And that costs money, baby. So I got to go just for one day. You got to just sacrifice one day. Yeah? You love mommy?
Yeah.
All right, give me a kiss. I love you so much. All right, so let's go. I'm so glad to have you here, eh? My favorite nephew. Huh? You are so smart and you're so bright. Huh? You okay?
Yes.
You're all smiles now, eh? Because you're with Auntie Obi. Eh? Listen, you're only here for one night because your mother have to run a special errand down in Miami, huh? She and Snow White. But she told me she have a little surprise for you when she comes back. Do you want to know the surprise? But you can't tell her that I told you. Are you hearing me now?
Yes.
Hey, hey. She's going to take you to Disney World. Huh? I think she promised you, but she wasn't too sure. But she said if you are good for your Auntie Obi, she is going to take you to Disney World. Huh? Can I come? You sure? Are we gonna go on Audi rides? Oh, that's why I love you so much. Hey, how come you are dressed in red? What is this? You are the black mob.
Today I have to be a red mob.
Red mob? I don't think so. You are kidding me, eh? You are the black mob. You must dress in black all the time. Listen, I still got some clothes for you from the last time you stayed here. There's some black clothes. Huh? Because you are the black mob. One day you are going to run this enterprise. I promise you. Eh? Just keep on loving your Auntie Obi. You hear me? Go to your room and go change in the black. Go on my laptop if you want. Because I know you like to play your games. Eh?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead and have some fun. Yes?
Damn, Cleo, what's up?
What's up, Spider?
Man, how we gonna handle this situation with Snow?
Man, fuck that shit. We just gonna pay that whole visit and just go see what the fuck going on, cause she talking a little bit too much out here in the streets, and you know we can't have her the fuck over our nigga Blue like that.
So what, I gotta take the situation in my hands and just handle that? We gonna send a hitter. How we gonna do that?
How about this? I set the shit up, you ass shot, I watch out the back, you watch out the front. When that shit happen, leave her motherfucking ass in that bitch stinking.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and handle that situation, cause Lady Blue ain't trying to hear none of this extra shit we talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and handle this shit. I'm gonna give you a call, and I'm gonna let you know when it's handled.
And then I'm gonna just stand out in the motherfucking paint and watch and see what happen. I'm gonna be waiting for your phone call, my nigga. We hit you up. Go ahead and ask that shit out.
Say no more, man. Sat, right? I heard you was going to Miami with Blue.
Yeah. Coming up real soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of that's gonna be rearranged.
Okay.
It ain't gonna be none of that.
Why? What's going on?
Cut a long story short, we done found out some information. We done did our homework on you. You're a confidential informant, or you got some people sitting around plotting on lady.
So how did you get any information about that?
Your circle.
Oh yeah?
You're doing a little bit too much talking. You're doing a little bit too much talking out here. You can't be doing all that between you and OB with the bullshit, with all that trying to change on Blue with the fuck shit. You got to go. You know what I mean? Today is the day for your ass. Because you a betrayal bitch. I thought you was on our motherfucking team. But you ain't on our motherfucking team no more. You got to go, ho.
Oh well, first of all, we're family. What information did you even get? Where did you get it from?
Hello? Lady Blue?
From your motherfucking circle that you claim your circle. Them he say, she says.
Excuse me, pardon my soul. Alright, Lady Blue. That's how I called my maid. So you know what time it is, right?
So you guys gonna kill me?
You already dead.
And how's that?
Bitch, I know you ain't got no motherfucking attitude when your motherfucking life is on the line, ho.
You guys walking up in here and telling me that I betrayed y'all. Y'all betraying me.
Well, bitch, you the one with the motherfucking attitude. Ain't nobody ask you for all that extra shit.
Hey, Snow. I can use your restroom.
It's in the bag. Y'all don't piss me the fuck off. Go respect them.
This is a lot of games in here. She left an email. Should I tell her? Nah, she don't mind. Oh, there's something from Snow White. This might be interesting. Let's see. What the rascal? What is this? My mama? What? She set up my grandfather to get killed? Because he set up my mom? Oh, no! She set up my mom for 5 years in prison for nothing. I spent 5 years with my mom for nothing. Hell no. What the rascal is this, now? I'm telling my mom. I'm caught, mommy. Nope. Hello, mommy. You won't believe this. I checked on Auntie's OB email. I know I shouldn't have did, but it's a good thing I did. She set up grandfather to die, and now she's gonna set up Snow White then come and kill you in Miami. Turn back. I made it. Turn back, please. You gonna turn back? Okay. Mommy, just turn back, please. I'm just worried. Please turn back. Please. I don't want you to die. please. Tell me you're safe. Let me know where you're home, please. Please, turn it back. 10:15. God. Oh, mommy sent me something. Hold on. King, open up the door for mommy. Don't wake up your auntie Obi. Okay. King, are you ready for your vacation? Hell yeah, I am. I'm serious. I'm not joking with you. Y'all gonna set him up? I'ma kill you. I don't give a damn how somebody wanna get me. I don't care, you hear me? You see all this blood in my head? I don't care. So don't play with me. I'm the real black mob right now. Y'all haters, y'all can back up. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. Hey, Mom, I did the mistakes. I killed her older brother. I killed you. Did it. Black Mom now. I'm the real one. One thing, though. One little thing. Right? So I left the knife in her hands. So it have her fingerprints. I wiped off my fingerprints. Okay? So how long you gonna be? Like, you need to hurry up. 5 minutes away. One day, Obi told me that I'm gonna run this black mob enterprise. I guess today is the day. Y'all better recognize me. Yeah, 5 stars. Black mob enterprise. Gangster life.
Rap for my city, city. Rap for my city. I put on. I put on. Angel eyes. I put on for my block. Rap for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Got a block unlock. You niggas ain't ready. 22s on the shoes when I cruise in a Bentley. Put on for my block. Rap for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Put on. I put on. Yo, put clip on the strip, heavy on the whip. When we roll like 4, 5, 6, we bomb that ditch. Heavy on the grind, stuck in the money, now we getting rich. Them call me the addict. When ripper pops at the place get naughty. Chrome rims, ends a Ferrari. True to the game loyalty. Yo, I put on for my block. Rap for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Got a block unlock. You niggas ain't ready. 22s on the shoes when I cruise in the Bentley. I'm bad, back to the bone. Anyway, me rolling, I left the chrome. Deal with them like me, they home alone. So me catch a lick of beat them with a snow cone. Yeah, we smoking it, ooh la la. Got the party jumping like kumbaya. Ice on my wrist like, oh my god, bling bling. We glowing in the dark. Yeah, put on for my block. Rap for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't with me. Got a block unlock. You niggas ain't ready. 22s on the shows when I cruise in the Bentley. Put on. I put on for my block. Rap for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Watch them like laser, sharp like razor. 4-4 nasty. Lone Ranger, run up on them with a hot steel blazer. Black map, and we run Jamaica. Bad to the bone. Anyway me rolling, now left the chrome. Deal with them like me there home alone. So me catch a lick beat them with a snow cone. Yeah, put on for my block, rap for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Got a block unlock. You niggas ain't ready. 22s on the shoes when I cruise in the Bentley. I put on for my block, rap for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't.
Kingpin.
You waitress. You dragon.
One be the jug stealer.
You
one be one flight attendant.
You
most wanted in Jamaica, you know the thing go.
Me, I want to be an accountant.
You don't want nothing like
sis, you know want me nothing, we want to be good people.
We don't want to battle, yes, guys.